Students, to prove that 5 minus 3 root 7 is an irrational number, who will explain the class?
The hands are raised, you can choose.
Yeah?
Yes.
Who will explain?
It is down.
So we have raised our hands, so you can choose the name.
Yeah? Arpit, yes?
हैंड रेस किया हुआ है
किसने?
So
अच्छा.
we have raised our hand. You can see in the
Okay,
tables.
okay. स्वास्ति, अर्पित मिश्रा, अनु कुमारी, श्री प्रधान, आदित्य सिंह. Okay, okay. Only 35 students, Swasti, Arpit Kumar Mishra, Anu Kumari, Srini Pradhan, Aditya Singh and Sonali Bose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 students can do this question, but remaining students Students, your question is to prove that 5 minus 3 root 7 is an irrational number. To prove it, first of all, we consider it that it is a rational number. It is a rational number. Let us assume to contrary that 5 minus 3 root 7 is a rational number. If 5 minus 3 root 7 is a rational number, Anshika Bhatt, what is rational number?
A number which can be expressed in the form of P upon Q.
Yeah, very good. And P and
So
Q
where Q is not equal to 0.
and P and Q are what are
Prime.
co-prime number? Very good. P and Q are co-prime numbers. Yeah. Let us assume to contrary that 5 minus 3 root 7 is a rational number. It can be represented in the form of A by B. 5 minus 3 root 7, where A and B are co-prime numbers and D not is equal to 0. Now students, we have already proved that root 7 is an irrational number. So we will put root 7 on one side, remaining we will transfer on the other side, and we will make the root 7 as a positive. If minus 3 root 7 will transfer from right hand side to left hand side, that minus 3 root 7 becomes Srini Pradhan,
Yes, sir.
minus 3 root 7 becomes, it will transfer minus 3 root 7 from right hand side to left hand side. It will convert into
Sir, A plus 5 by B is equal to. No, sir. A minus 5 by B is equal to minus 3 root 7.
3 root 7, 5 minus A by B. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Student, what are co-prime numbers? A
That doesn't
Its common factor is
1.
1.
One sir, highest common factor is one.
Okay, okay. Now student will take the LCM, that is B 5b minus a. 5b minus a. Now root 7 is equal to 5b minus a by 3. 5b minus a by 3b. Now a and b are co-prime numbers. A and b are co-prime numbers. A and b are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Students, if you will take the a and b as a co-prime number, then 5b minus a by 3b will be 5
Rational numbers.
rational numbers.
Rational.
Rational numbers.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we can also note them as integer.
Yeah, integers. A and b are integer as well as co-prime numbers. Integers as well as co-prime numbers. Now students, 5b minus a by 3b is a rational number. Is a rational number. अगर ये rational number है,
Root 7 is not rational.
या 5b minus a by 3b is a rational number. Rational number. If equal to root 7, then root 7 is also a rational number. A rational number. Then root 7 is also a rational number. 5b minus a by 3b is a rational number. Then 5b minus a by 3b is also a rational number. But student, we have already discussed that root 7 is an irrational number. Root 7 is an irrational number. But here we are saying that root 7 is rational number. Root 7 is a rational number. We have already discussed. Root 7 is a rational number. Here are the two concepts of one statement. Root 7, two statement. Root 7 is rational number. Root 7 is irrational number. There are two concepts. It means there are contradiction method. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
Contradiction
So what
method.
should we write after that?
Yeah.
Sir, you know, and after that what will we write?
Yeah. Students, it contradict the fact that fact क्या है? What is fact? Fact is root 7 irrational number in which there is contradiction. It contradicts the fact that root 7 is an irrational number. Is an irrational number. It means contradiction. If there is contradiction, it means our position is wrong.
Yes, sir.
So our position is wrong. So our position is wrong.
Hence, root 7 is an irrational number.
So our position is a wrong. Hence 3 minus 5 root 7.
5 minus 3.
5 minus 3
So
root
5
7.
minus 3.
5 minus 3 root 7 is an irrational number.
Irrational number. irrational number.
Irrational number. 5 minus 3 root 7 is an irrational number. Not any doubt, any problems? If you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask me.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Student, your voice is not clear. Repeat the sentence.
How root 7 is a rational number?
How can we prove that root 7 is irrational number?
Yes, sir.
Okay, student, wait. Students, have you any problem, any queries in this question which is written on the whiteboard? Okay, students. Now our next question is to prove that 7 root 7 is an irrational. Same. Root 7, root 2, root 3, root 5 is the same concept. To prove that root 7 is an irrational number. Is an irrational number. To prove it, what concept will you take? Yes. Swasti, Arpit Misra, Annu Kumari, you have raised your hands. What is the concept? Start the question. Yes, Annu Kumari.
Then let's assume under root 7
Let us assume to contrary that yes, root 7
under root 7 is a rational number.
is a rational number.
And it is written in P by Q form,
And
where P and Q is integer and
where A
co-prime
and B are co-prime numbers and B not equal to 0.
So,
Yes, students. Yeah, very good. Students, here am I saying that here A and B are co-prime number. If A and B are co-prime number, it means they have only one as a common factor. Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir.
A and B have only common factor, that is 1. It does not have any other common factor. Okay? Now
Yes.
to solve it, scaling on both sides. Scaling on both sides. Scaling on both sides. A by B, that is root 7 square.
A square upon B square is equal to 7.
Yeah, A square by B square is equal to 7. Now student, A square is equal to 7, B square equation first. Now A square is divisible by 7.
So when I did this method, why did you cut it?
Yeah.
So when I did this method in the exam test, you said it was wrong.
Student, your voice is not clear. Please repeat the sentence.
So I was saying that when I did this method in test, you told that I cannot do this. I need to do comparison method.
Yeah, contradiction method.
Sir, this is contradiction method. I did this only.
You have to apply the contradiction method.
Then the guided test was also just gave me marks.
Why?
Let's see.
Who is speaking the class? Who is?
In question paper and 9 plus answer sheets in check.
In answer sheet?
Yes, sir. I will do it.
What is the wrong in the answer sheet?
So she is saying that I will not give her marks on this method.
100% I will give. I will 100% give you marks. Please.
So she got asking
Okay.
that in the before weekly test you have better marks on this method only.
No, I cannot reduce your marks. If you have any doubt, any problem, please send your sheet back to me, and I will tell what is the
Yes, sir. Sure.
yeah. Please send your sheet to me and discuss with me. अपनी जो प्रॉब्लम है उसको सॉर्ट आउट करिए. हाँ बाई चांस अगर चेक नहीं हुआ है तो उसको चेक करिए. ठीक है? ओके. Now students, a square is equal to 7b square. A square is equal to 7b square. Now a square is divisible by 7. A square is divisible by 7. A square is divisible by 7. It means 7, that is 49. 7 a square. A square means 7 square.
Test is divisible because by the uniqueness of fundamental system of arithmetic.
No. Uniqueness fundamental for student a square. If a square is divisible by 7, a square is divisible by 7. That is 49 is divisible by 7. Then a is also divisible by 7 or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
A square is divisible by 7. Then a is also divisible by 7. A square is divisible by 7. Then a is also divisible by 7. Divisible by 7. 8